I advise and firmly caution the Indian military leadership that there is no space for war in a nuclearized environment. Settle the core issues with Pakistan as per the international norms on the basis of equality and mutual respect, and shall respond decisively beyond proportions to even a minor provocation without any qualms. The most recent display of the spirit and resolve of the armed forces of Pakistan during Marka-e-Haq, Operation Bunyanu Marsoos, has further strengthened the trust and confidence of the people of Pakistan on the competence and far-reaching capabilities of its armed forces. By neutralizing all threats with remarkable professionalism, India's eagerness to adjudge culpability, evasion of neutral investigations, and staging self-created evidence was indicative of politicization of terrorism for vested interests of the ruling regime.